Hello everyone, welcome to our new video, that is strategy of infidelity. I will explain how this strategy got its name. I will also explain how to apply this strategy and when one should apply this strategy. First, let me explain how this strategy got its name. Once upon a time, a man was walking home with his wife when he spotted a beautiful woman gathering tree leaves by the roadside. As he saw beautiful woman, he left his wife to go flirt with that woman. After few days, he left that woman to see his wife. Upon return, he saw another man is making love to his wife. The story ends here. The story says that man left his wife to make love with another woman without realizing that his wife is not safe from another man. Now question comes, when one should apply this strategy? When the enemy is too strong to attack directly, then attack something he holds dear. Attack where there is a gap in his defense, or attack his weakness. If enemy is on military campaign, then his home defenses will be weak. If his army is fast, then his supply lines will be slow. If army is well equipped with superior weapons, then his government budget will be at loss. For example, China is too powerful as compared to India. It will be very difficult for India to win a war with China head to head. So what India should do if China attacks India? Well, answer is India should identify areas or locations which are very dear to China. Areas or location which China never wants to lose, or in other words, their weaknesses. Attack those areas, locations or weaknesses, because no person or country can guard all the things all the time, no matter how powerful a country is. In conclusion, to confront a powerful opponent in a head-to-head contest of strength is the costliest and least favorable method of war. Instead, while the enemy is preoccupied with other objective, you attack something of value that he has left behind unguarded. This will force him break off his current campaign in order to rescue what he has lost, or by doing so, one can get favorable outcome in war with powerful nation. So, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.